Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Quentin Wear the Fashion Doll, and I'm back with another unboxing and review. And today, we will be unboxing another Barbie Extra. This is number 11. I loved her lime green hair, one of my favorite colors, that's why I have it on today. But not only did I find the Barbie Extra, I found the matching fashion pack. So we have some extra clothes, and an extra pet. And we did indeed. I wish this came with a full outfit, but we will get there. Let's open Miss number 11. But before we do, let's get into her. And I'm gonna move this plant. Face. She has a pet. Here's the back. She does have the illustration. And she's cute. She's the only one from her wave that I have. We're gonna get into her fashion once I open her, because I have some things to say. But let's just get into it. Let's open her. She has sparkles on her face. I don't remember if any of the other ones. I think the black girl that I have has freckles. I think that's the first time I had one with like printed details on her face. We're just gonna rip into it. Someone commented on one of my videos, like, you're so delicate with the boxes. I try to keep them intact if I know I'm gonna keep apart, but I don't need any of her packaging. Her illustration is cute, but I'm not crazy about it. Okay. It was easy. So here she is still in the box. She comes with 2 additional purses, I'm assuming. I wonder do they have straps? Let's see. I wonder is Barbie gonna do some more of these Barbie extras? And I know they have the extra fly and the extra fancy. I showed you all that I have an extra fancy. The pink one. Okay. Here are her glasses, which are also giving me a little Chanel vibes. They have like pearls on the top. Okay, so if these are extra purses, they don't have straps, so I don't know how that works. Maybe it's just props, I don't know. They make some of these items so hard to get out the box. Dude, to the parents that watch, do y'all have to help y'all kids take Barbies out of the box? Because they can be a little difficult to me. For me. I bent up the glasses a little. Here is her pet, which is a little bird. I don't know, maybe it's a bird to like be like the toucan from Fruit Loops, so she comes with cereal. I don't know. That's the glasses that the bird comes with, which are cute. And then here's the other cereal. She had a strawberry cereal, which I can see this being cute for kids. Like if you have a little kitchen set for your Barbie, you can have Barbie and Kid on the family eating cereal. And then, I don't know what this one is supposed to be. It just says sweet. Maybe like a It has bananas. I don't know, like a raisin bran. Okay, let's try to get the Barbie out of here. Okay. She's pretty easy so far. I'm trying not to cut her hair. Well, doing all of these tags, my God. Okay. Okay. Wait, what's going on in the back? Sorry, she just had some loose threads. Okay, and I actually like to cut the tags. Okay, so here she is out of the box. Get into her braid. I love her hair. I like her jewelry. I like the crown. I even like this shirt. It's these shoes, y'all. Look at these shoes. She look like she going bowling. Whoop. If she's so fancy and she has like a feather boa, why would she have on these shoes? So I have this Barbie Looks doll that you will see the review at some point. I think I must give her these shoes because I think that would make more sense. But I hate these shoes so much. But the top doesn't bother me. The top is giving me those swimsuit tops, like the tops with the swimsuits printed on it. So I actually kind of like that. And then she has stars on her face. She does look a little pixelated, but she's not bad. She has a pretty face. The usual articulation at the knee, at the thighs. And this shirt velcros in the back. So do the pants. This is attached to her. I think I'm gonna leave it attached for right now. Or I probably can if I'm gonna change clothes on her. Let's see. Okay. Okay, but you can see the full look, I guess, without that being on. Let me just cut the bag off too. Oh, I'm having some difficulty. But let's put this around her now. So we could do one of these kind of moments. That's cute. I just hate this shoe. Let's change her shoes. Let's take this shoe off of her. Oh, we got to cut the shoes off. Oh, and they're supposed to be like a Converse. I'm gonna go get some different scissors. Okay, these are for my sewing scissors, but It's easier to get under. It's so hard to get under these little plastic straps. Okay. So just to show you again, that's the shoe. It's like a little Converse, but they're like clear, like a jelly. Okay. Oh wait, she has flat feet, so she probably can't even put them on. I didn't even think about that. See, this is why this is a problem. Y'all should stop giving the dolls flat feet, because she can't even put these shoes on. So her outfit is just destined to be trash. Okay. Work. Well, let's put her ugly little shoes back on. I thought I was doing something. Well, let's cut the bag too. Okay, cut that so we can take the bag off. But yeah, she's cute. Get into her jewelry. Let's open the fashion pack. I'm going to sit her down. Well, that was easy. Okay. They are really invested in these pets. Like a pet, a bed, accessories for the pet. Why couldn't I get a whole outfit like that? I would like her outfit. Okay. So we got the cat, which is cute. It's like a translucent color. It's cute. And then the pets, I noticed, have these holes in them. So, came with these glasses, which are like donuts. You could put the glasses on the cat. So we could do glasses. Woo! Or you could do a headband. I don't know. I don't feel either way about it. And then here's a little bed for the cat. That's cute, I guess. The kids, again, these are for children, the toys, so maybe the kids will enjoy it, but this is doing nothing for me. Oh, I didn't put her sunglasses on either, I forgot. Get into her sunnies. Those are cute, I would wear those. I can't get over this shoe. Okay, and then, so this fashion pack, she has a purse. So here's the purse, it's like a cloud. And you can't really put anything in it. It's not actually deep. And then she has a little, it's a fur vest. Okay. She's cute, she has a lining. Okay, this is cute. Let's see how the vest looks on her. I thought it was a jacket. Okay, I got it on her. I'm just trying to fix her clothes so she not out here looking crazy. They could have made this a little bigger, I think, because it's definitely jumping up her clothes under. Okay. So that's her with the vest on. Hey! Hi, Barbie. It's cute. It could have been bigger to me, like an oversized one. Let's put on the shawl with it. Well, there we go. They could have did, this is just giving, I don't know. They could have put, like how this has a lining, this could have had a lining on it too. It's not giving me the ooh ah sensation. Okay. Which purse do I like better? Okay. She's cute. She got a little outfit going. We still hate the shoes. I don't mind her. And then here's her. Ooh! Child, everything falling off. But this is her with her little pad. I do like her. She has potential. I'm gonna give her. She cute. I'm not gonna give her a stunning, cause I don't know. I'm not crazy about these pants, and then they have printed on lacing. They could have actual lacing, and this shoe and these flat feet are just a fool. But she is cute. She will get a she's cute from me. Y'all saw my fashion packs and that I ordered for myself. I wish this came with like a skirt, or I almost wanted to take her pants off and put on something else, but I don't know. I'm gonna figure out another outfit for her because this is not giving me the ooh ah sensation at all. But she is cute. I don't know if there are any more Barbie extras that I want to get. I got the girl in the silver that looks Asian, but I didn't unbox her on camera. But we shall see. But thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And you know, use that, click the notification bell so you'll actually know when I upload a video. I'm thinking about, I know when the Kylie Bratz doll comes out, I'm going to get one of those. I think maybe the night one. I'm not sure. But I want to get some Bratz dolls, I think. Which Bratz doll do any of you recommend? I've been looking at Kiana, but I don't know. I've been trying to research Bratz because I'm not familiar really. But sound off in the comments, and I will see you soon. Ta-ta.